Hey everyone, it's Darlene here, and today I am going to be doing a review on the Gaiteng Bellami Balayage hair extensions. I love these things. Okay, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about them. I wrote everything down. I got the number 1718, which is a cool brown to a dirty blonde. I got 22 inches. As you can see, these are long, super, super long. Let me go ahead and step back. They are long and they are gorgeous. Okay, so 22 inches long and 220 grams. That's the one I got. It retails for $309.99. I got them during their memorial sale, so I got them for 15% off. And I got free shipping as well. Shipping is $12.99 on top of that for just the standard shipping. So I did not have to pay for shipping, and I got them on sale. So I got them I paid $282 total. Totally worth every penny. I love these things. They are so thick. The quality is so good. Like, out of all the extensions, I always go to these. I actually have a pair of dark ones just because I've bought the ones from like Sally's and stuff, and those things do not last. They're not as thick, they're not as full. I mean, this is the whole set in. Like, you don't even have to put this much in. I'm just extra, and I mean, this is a lot of hair. Look at this. Like, most people's ponytail is not even that thick. Like, all this together, it's insane. It is insane. It is a lot of hair. You know me, I have really thin hair without these, so these things are beautiful. And that's like some of it still back. Like, I love these things. They also do have an option for 20 inches, and they are 160 grams, and they retail for $249.99. I'm like, it was only like $40 difference to get the thicker ones, and you know, with the sale, of course, because they're normally $309. But for me, because I got them on sale, it was just cheaper for me to, well, it wasn't cheaper. It was just a better deal for me to get the 22 inch 220 grams because I'm extra and I like a lot of hair. Okay, but yeah, these are beautiful hair extensions. They blend really well with my hair. Like, you can't tell where my hair is and where this hair is. It is beautiful. And like, this is horrible lighting because the sun's not out today. Like, if you see this in the light, like outside, it is beautiful. I'll actually post a picture that I took yesterday of what they look in natural lighting right now. So you can see like the difference, like different lightings, it looks different. Like, it doesn't look as blonde as they actually are in this lighting, but they're beautiful. They match my hair perfectly. I'll also put a clip that I recorded yesterday with these extensions right now. I have to share these with you guys. I got me some Bellami hair extensions. I love these extensions. They're so pretty. I will have to do a YouTube video because my sister-in-law got some too. She got some red ones, so I will have to do like kind of like a just showing you how they wear and everything and how they look, like the different ones look. But they are so pretty and I love them. You see how beautiful that looks? They are gorgeous. I love these extensions. So it comes in a box like this, and then you pull it open, and your extensions are in here, and they are in these like little weft things. And what happens is they have a little, like, one weft in this little pocket, and this is for you to actually put in your hair to see if they match. So they have two separate ones. Like, the majority of the hair is in this one, and then they have this little pouch, which is for you to try on. If you open this, as you can see, it says void. So the warranty is voided after you open this part. So that is why they send this part, and I'm glad they do that because they used to not. Like last time I bought Bellamy's, it was just like, okay, if they don't match, well, you're out of money if you open them. So I am glad that they started doing that because, I mean, they're really expensive if they do not match. You want these to match your hair. And it has a little thing telling you, open first, tester, just to make sure it matches. So they warn you. And then this set actually comes with the bag and a hanger to actually clip your hair extensions in, which I think that's awesome. My sister-in-law actually bought a set too, and I'll actually be recording hers because there's not a lot of videos on them. Hers actually did not come with the bag and the hanger, so I think it's only certain ones. These are the Gaitang ones, so maybe that's why they actually come with it. But this is like a must-have if you get these hair extensions because it keeps it from getting all tangled. Like my other ones, I don't have it, like the bag and everything, which I'm going to buy some off Amazon. They're really cheap on Amazon, just to let you know if you don't want to spend the money, because Bellami is super expensive. So you would... If yours doesn't come with it already, I do suggest buying it off Amazon. A lot cheaper. But I do like the hanger. It's like a rose gold that, like, come on. If you could save money, who cares about rose gold and all that stuff? But it's really pretty. You just push this down, open it, and it, like, has this padding thing that you put your hair extensions on. And then you just hang it up. Put them through here, and then you zip it up. So it keeps your hair extensions nice and safe. I do have all the wefts in. It comes with 4, like, one clip. This is really weird, but I'm gonna unclip this just to kind of show you. These are like the fillers. Like, you don't have to put these ones in, but they're fillers. So I'm just gonna put that right there. So it comes with 4 of those. It comes with 2 4 weft, so they have like 4 clips. And I put both of those, like I put one on this side and then I like put one on this side, and I kind of put it around my crown. And then it comes with 2 3 weft, which I put like right through here. One day I'll have to show you guys how I put them in. If you guys want to see that video, please leave a comment down below, and I'll also show you how to style them, like curl them. If you want to see that video, please comment down below as well. And then I have 2 wefts, which I put at the very base of my head. So that's 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it comes with 10 wefts total. So they are like really, really pretty. They're really full. Like, I could take them off and show you. Like, you guys know how my hair is without them. Super thin, super thin. But yes, I love these hair extensions. They are so pretty. So yes, I do highly recommend these. If you're gonna get extensions, you know, spend the extra money, get something that's actually like worth your money, you know? I mean, they are expensive, but they're gonna last a long time. It's not something that, like, to me, it's not a waste of money. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and take these out just to show you. Ugh, I don't know why I'm gonna do this. Just to kind of show you guys like what my hair looks like without them. I'm probably gonna regret doing this because there's just, so it comes with, these are 2 of them. The first 2. So I'm gonna put these down first. Okay, that's not the other one. Where's the other one? Okay, there it is. See, it comes with 4 of these. So weird taking out my hair. And then these are the 4 wefts. Okay, so as you can see, these have 4 clips, 4 clips, my hair is getting thinner. And these are the 3 clips. And then I have 2 clips. And they're like stacked on top of each other. Okay, it is a lot of hair. So that is what my hair looks like without them. Crazy, right? Crazy difference. So you can see, like, it's a huge difference. Like, I feel bald after wearing these. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this just to show you how much hair. This is all the hair that comes with it. It is a lot of hair. That's 220 grams of hair, which I curl it with my hair just because you get better results when you actually curl it with your hair. But yes, I'm probably gonna keep these out today just because I'm going to Bakersfield and I just kind of recorded this video, like put them in my hair for you guys today. But yes, crazy difference, right? So if you want to see me how to like curl these hair and style them for you, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to see me put them in, comment in the section below and I'll show you how to put them in and style them and everything. So this is like just kind of like a close-up on the hair. So you can see it matches really well with my hair because my hair has different tones as well. So I love these. Yes, highly recommend. Like I said, this is the best brand that I've tried, and I've tried a few different ones. So these are expensive, but worth it in the long run. But yes, that completes this video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be notified every time that I do post a video. That being said, bye, God bless.